The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Yeah. Big up. Alright, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you, but before I present any of those videos to you, or before I get into certain details, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Yeah, click. Alright, so the first video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video will be recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana. I do not have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded. However, according to some things that a person said in the video and according to some things that have been said on social media, I got the understanding that the video shows a man who had been brought into police custody by the police within the country of Guyana because he did not provide a vaccination card to the police within the country of Guyana during a certain time or incident. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, let's take a look at this video and see if we can get an understanding about this alleged situation shown in the video. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I asking you nicely, Constable King, you brought me to the station here at Lagrange Station. I'm asking you to please do what you got to do and let me go on my way. I have people inside of my car. You brought me to the station for vaccination card, and I asking you to produce e-vaccination card. This is my rights. The right and the law of Guyana said that this is legal. It ain't got no court. Me finish videoing yet. I would like the constable, he brought me to the station to saying that I don't have no vaccination card, and I'm asking him to come and let me tell you, I have passengers inside of my car. I got people inside of my car. There's how the Guyana police force does do with people. Yeah? There's how the Guyana police force behaving. I'm here at Lagrange Station and I can't talk for my rights. The police brought me to the station. Look at me. The police brought me to the station for vaccination card. I asked him to produce e-vaccination card. He walked out to the station, he gone. I got passengers inside of my car. I need to go and drop off the passenger. This is what going on. This is what Guyana come to now. I know what going on. No, you can't tell me nothing about it. This is the right I doing. And you can't talk for me, right? The walker gone out to the station.
Alright, but people, I have never heard about a situation where police arrest someone or take someone into police custody because the person don't have any vaccination card. No, I've never heard of a situation like that. I've never even seen a situation like that before. Yes, so I say, yeah, so this kind of new to me, you know. And one of the reasons why I presented the video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media. So I say, yeah, this video has been posted quite a number of places on social media, you know. So I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video. You can let me know what you think about the things that have been shown and said in the video. And I'm going to leave it right there. See me? I'm not going to say much about the video because some of the informations that I got about the video or the situation shown in the video, they are not confirmed informations. So I'm just going to leave it right there. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female, and in the video the female talked about some of her life experiences. Yes, in the video the female shared some of her life experiences. She talked about being involved in an abusive relationship for a certain amount of years, and she talked about other things as well. You know, I'm not going to explain everything that she said. However, viewers and subscribers, I must warn you that this video might make some of you, my viewers and subscribers, sad. This video shows the female crying. I mean, tears was coming from her eyes. See? Yeah, I do not know where or when the video will be recorded, and I'm presenting the video to you so that you can hear the things that this female said, and you can also let me know what you think about the things that have been shown and said in this video. Alright? Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
I have been in an abusive relationship for the past 6 years. I have kept quiet and I have smiled through it because I know what abuse is, because I grew up in it. My father is a drug addict, so I know what licks, I know what torment, I know about every kind of abuse you can think about. I know about it. I never went to school because he never sent us to school. We saw primary school now and again, but every day it was always garden work and licks and garden and stuff like that. What I know today, how to learn to read, to write, I did that by myself. I went and I used my time because I didn't want it to be done. See, or I didn't want to not learn to read or anything like that. So I did whatever courses I could have done. And you know, when you are not someone who study plenty and never had books and stuff like that, in this day and age, to retain that kind of knowledge and to remember stuff and to do those things, it is kind of difficult for me. But I just still do it because I have 3 children and I refuse to, you know, not learn anything and have them to not do their schoolwork and stuff like that. In this relationship for the past 6 years, I haven't gotten nothing but next torment, frustration, name calling, all kind of thing. You could name it. Why? Because I don't have nobody. I don't have no friends. I don't have no family. I don't have no home. I don't have nowhere to go. So when they run me and telling me to get out every single day, and his words were, I will torment you till the day you leave from here, because I want you gone. But if I have nowhere to go, I will have to stay and take this. But I don't want to take it no more, Leah. I haven't been sleeping. I have been trying to keep myself together.
My people, you see, social media can be a good and a bad place. You see me? Sometimes when you see someone make a video and post it on social media sharing their life experiences or talk about a situation that happened in his or her life, you might be surprised to know that by doing so, the person might feel better to know that other persons out there in the world can know what they're going through or hear some of the things that they're going through. You see what I say? Yes, social media can be a place of healing and social media can be a place that tears you down. It depends on how you use social media. See me? Now, when I listen to the things that the female said in that video, you know, and looked at the video as well, I feel moved, to be honest. You know, like the things that the female said just have me saying, Janu, this woman got through a lot. You see me? So that's why I say that social media can be a good and a bad place. And a real, you know. My people, I only hope say that this female will find the strength to keep moving forward in life in a positive way. See? Yeah, I only hope so, because the things that she said in that video that I just presented to you, like for real, it's heart touching, like for real, is what I say. So let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla entertainment.